Welcome to our course, Intro to Prompts for AI. If you've ever wondered how to get the most out of tools like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, you're in the right place.
In this course, we'll teach you the essential skills to create effective prompts that get you the results you need from generative AI.
But first, let's clarify what we mean by generative AI tools. These are artificial intelligence systems trained on vast amounts of data. They then generate new content and assist with various tasks based on existing data and the prompts we give them.
Some popular examples of generative AI include large language models like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google's Gemini, and Claude by Anthropic. Multimedia AI tools include Midjourney, DALL-E, Flux, Suno, Sora, and Adobe Firefly.
Whether they are working with text or multimedia, generative AI tools are trained on a huge amount of real-world information. This helps them to learn and to recognize patterns in order to predict likely outcomes and generate realistic output.
While each tool has its own unique capabilities, they work in very similar ways. You type an instruction to the AI, and the AI does its best to generate the output it thinks you want. The key to unlocking the incredible potential of AI and getting better results from your AI tools starts with effective prompting. We'll be using different AI tools throughout this course to demonstrate best practices that apply across all of them.
You might be wondering, what exactly is a prompt? In the context of generative AI, a prompt is simply the input or instruction we provide to the AI, telling it what we want it to do. If you use ChatGPT and tell it, I want a blog post about palm trees, it's going to produce a result that probably looks pretty good, but does that output match your expectations?
The challenge is that these tools can do amazing things, but they can't read our minds. They interpret our prompts literally, so crafting clear and specific instructions is essential to getting good results.
That's why in this course, we'll cover techniques for creating effective prompts, common prompting techniques, and best practices for AI prompting in business.
By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and skills to communicate effectively with AI tools and leverage their power for your own projects and tasks.
Let's dive in and start exploring the world of AI prompting together.
In the next lesson, we'll discuss strategies for crafting clear and effective prompts.